Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and today I just intro to you something that you can make for yourself for lunch or for dinner. And this is a very simple recipe called beef strips fry up. It's very simple. And so I'm feeling a bit tired today. I've been to the gym, I've been doing things, and I am so super tired. So I thought I want something very simple that I can just put together and eat. And so I hope that you get to enjoy it. So for this particular recipe, you definitely need your beef strips, cabbage for my vegetable because I need vegetable for sure. And then here you need your tomatoes, you need your onions. I've put a bit of coriander, dania, and this is garlic. I have put a little bit of cayenne pepper, and that's mixed spices, and this is salt. If you want to add on to your spices, it is very much okay. Remember that this portion is quite small, so I do very little spices, but as you continue to add on to your portions, I'm sure that you can add on to your spices as well. So we're going to start, of course, after kneading that, we also need oil. So we're going to start with putting this on. I am using the sprayer because then I'm able to use my oil in moderation. The oil become a bit hot. I want to fry my beef for a bit, and then from there we are able to add on to the rest of the ingredients. So the oil has become hot. We call them beef strip fry up because they're in. So now your strips get in there. At this point you can add on the garlic. You want the beef to fry up with the garlic inside. And then now you cover. So give the beef, garlic, and a bit of oil, and this could be around 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how much of the portion that you've put. For my portion, it requires at least 5 minutes. So give it 5 minutes and then come back for more. My 5 minutes are over. It's browning, and that browning is what I want for it. You can add your spices, just add all of them together. You can add the tomatoes and the onions. Put a little bit of water, just a little. Not too much. And give the rest of the ingredients time to cook. So this looks like half cooked. It looks fantastic. Add your coriander or dania. That is done. So you add on to the plate. Do a little bit of steaming on the cabbage. Add a little bit of oil, just a little. Add your cabbage. Remember I said I don't want too many spices today. So for my cabbage, it's just a simple steamed cabbage, a bit of salt, and that's it. So just fry it up. The reason I'm using the same pan or the same pot to make it so that it can also take in all the sauciness of the beef that was there before. So give it 30 seconds or so to steam a little. This cabbage is done. So you serve this also. So that is my beef strip fry up, and I'm having it with some fried cabbage. And this is the most simplest meal that you can have in under 10 minutes. As long as everything is prepared, you can have this, and I can assure you it is yummy. Remember, this is for my weight loss. As you can see, the portions are also reduced, but they are enough for me. So even as you start your journey, this is something you can do. Remember that you don't have to stay away from some foods. You just have to know how to make them correctly. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you love this recipe. And remember that you always have to be a legend and a hero for who? Yourself. Always yourself. Have a fantastic day and God bless you. Ciao. Bye. Mwah.